Tesla's stainless steel Cybertruck was involved in its first reported accident after finally hitting the road last month. And it wasn't pretty for the other car. A Toyota Corolla was left crumpled after appearing to collide head-on with the fully electric bomber-like vehicle on Thursday. The Toyota's front end was completely demolished, with the sedan's side airbags deployed as it rested on the side of the road with its hood popped open and a headlight dangling. The 17-year-old driver was not hurt. The Cybertruck, meanwhile, appeared in perfect condition as it straddled the yellow line on a two-lane road in Palo Alto, Calif. The California Highway Patrol confirmed the accident, sharing an accident report that showed the Cybertruck was carrying 3 people in their 30s at the time of the incident. The Elon Musk-made SUV wasn't in self-driving mode, according to the report. The only injury noted was a suspected minor injury to the Cybertruck driver, though he declined medical transportation. Dashcam footage shared to YouTube also showed the accident. Safety experts have expressed concerns about the damage the Cybertruck's steel structure and sharp design could cause in a crash. The truck's cold-rolled stainless steel body panels were lauded for their ability to absorb impact during an accident. Earlier this month, 6 professors and officials who viewed videos of crash tests conducted by Tesla warned that the electric pickup truck's stiff exoskeleton could hurt pedestrians and cyclists and damage other vehicles on roads.